Welcome back to Day 1 French, episode 5 of 20. I'm Louis, and this is the last day of week 1, the foundations.
And I'm Claire, and there is one French news story that never, ever goes away, the strike. In France, striking is practically a national sport. Today, you learn to report it.
Today's sentence, real new speed.
Les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève aujourd'hui. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève aujourd'hui.
Who's on strike? First, the doctors. Claire, one doctor.
Le médecin,
Your turn, repeat after her.
le médecin. Doctors, plural, and listen very, very carefully. Les médecins,
Now you, out loud.
les médecins.
Did you catch the difference? Because it was not at the end of the word. On paper, the noun grows an S, and French, true to episode 1, flatly refuses to say it. The only thing that changed was the tiny word in front. Claire, the for one, the for many,
Les. And that's today's quirk, the silent plural. One doctor and 10 doctors sound exactly the same. The article does all the work. Lou for one, les for many. Train your ear on that little word and every plural in French is yours.
next one teacher.
Le professeur,
Repeat after her.
le professeur. And the teachers, where once again the noun itself won't move an inch. Les professeurs,
15 professions, with their feminine forms and their everyday short forms, are on today's sheet at linguawire.com/day1.
Now, Louis, the state they're all in, on strike, and French says it with a little picture. They are in the strike, the way you'd be in a river.
So the phrase to hold on to is literally in strike. Claire,
En grève,
your turn, out loud.
en grève.
And here we should, and salute, because this may be the most French sentence we teach all month. In France, the strike is not a crisis, it's an institution. Trains, schools, hospitals, the news calendar practically has a season for it.
And we're rather proud of it, honestly. Downing tools is part of the national conversation, which is excellent news for you. This may be the single most dependable word in French headlines. Learn it today, hear it forever.
So, the doctors are on strike. The whole first limb of our sentence. Claire, slowly.
Les médecins sont en grève.
Your turn, the whole chunk.
Les médecins sont en grève.
Now your reward for 5 days of work, your first full French verb. To work, which is exactly what the strikers are famously not doing today. Claire,
Travailler,
repeat after her.
travailler. In the news, you'll usually meet it in the plural. They work, they are working. Ils travaillent,
Out loud, they work.
ils travaillent.
Now listen to something quietly wonderful. I work, you work, they work, 3 different spellings on paper. Claire, all 3.
Je travaille, tu travailles, il travaille. Identical. 3 spellings, 1 single sound, the silent letters from day 1 running an entire verb. Only 2 forms actually change in your ear. We and you, plural. Nous travaillons, vous travaillez.
And here's why this matters. Thousands of French verbs, every regular verb ending in ER, run on exactly this machine. Learn it once, own it forever. The full table is on today's sheet. And that's everything you need. The sentence slowly.
Les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève aujourd'hui.
The doctors and the teachers are on strike today. Real speed.
Les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève aujourd'hui. Your turn, the whole sentence, out loud. Repeat after me. Les médecins et les professeurs sont en grève aujourd'hui. Très bien.
And that's week 1 done. Look at what you're holding. To be, to have, the articles and their vowel smash, numbers to 10,000, the silent plural, and now a working verb engine.
Today's sheet at linguawire.com/day1 adds 15 professions and the full table of your new verb. And this weekend, do one thing, revise. Sheets 1 to 5 are designed as a set. Half an hour on Saturday locks in the whole week.
Plus the 10-minute homework, of course. Week 2 starts Monday, and we go straight into the news itself. Politics, weather, transport, money, sport. One domain a day.
Lundi, l'élection est dimanche.
Monday, the election. See you then.
À lundi,